almost.
Good evening, Tanya.
Good evening, sir.
You are from which state?
Sir, Farooqabad, Uttar Pradesh.
Farooqabad, Uttar Pradesh. Where is nearest big city?
Sir, Kanpur.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Good.
Basically, Farooqabad is a city, but as you said, near a city.
Amara, for people like me, I have never visited Uttar Pradesh except for Varanasi once
Okay.
in the year 1978. कितना साल पहले, कम से कम 45 years हो गया. या उसका पहले आया था. Yeah. Apart from that, I don't know anything in Uttar Pradesh. That's why I know only cities like big cities, Lucknow. I have heard them. I have never visited them. Good. Allahabad, Kanpur, yeah, and all that. Good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a businessman.
What is the business he is doing?
Sir, he is doing clothing business.
Is it on a small scale or a large scale?
Sir, both purpose, retail or wholesale.
Then why you should not go to that business, Tanya?
Sir, actually, I am interested in doing government job. Basically, I want to serve the nation. So that is why I am interested in banking sector. And one more thing is there that here is a stability and growth is more as according to me. So that is why I want to do.
No, but the answer, I want to serve the nation, that is very broad based. Instead, you say that it offers career growth and it is a prestigious job. Plus, you
Yeah.
get job satisfaction also. And in the
Okay.
case of business, sometimes it may bring us good results. Sometimes there are bad days also. Like when during Corona days, my father's business suffered a lot. Something like that. थोड़ा
Okay.
उस समय पर कैसे हुआ था आपका पिताजी का बिजनेस?
सर बिजनेस तो ये था कि सर मैं स्पीक इन हिंदी.
हाँ, जरूर बोलिए.
हाँ, तो सर उस टाइम कोविड के टाइम पे तो मीन्स बिजनेस ऑब्वियसली लॉकडाउन हो गया था. तो ऑलमोस्ट यही था कि जो भी था होलसेल पे मीन्स हो जाता था. ऑनलाइन चलने लगा था तो ऑनलाइन के थ्रू हो जाता था मीन्स ऑनलाइन बिजनेस.
Online business only was going on. Acha. Good, very good. So of course the business would have been less. The maximum turnover would have been less.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you are
Means
interested.
there are so many ups and downs in every year.
Yeah. So you are interested in joining Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about Bank of India?
Sir, as according to my knowledge, Bank of India, it's a public sector bank. It is the headquarter of Bank of India is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It was established in September 1906. And according to my knowledge, the tagline of Bank of India is relationship beyond banking. And if I am talking about MD if I'm talking about MD, then Mr. Rajneesh Karnatak is the MD of Bank of India, and total deposit of Bank of India is 11,686 lakh crore, 86 lakh crore. Total business, it's total business. And if I am talking about total deposits, it's 6.76 lakh crore, and total lendings is 5.15 lakh crore. CASA percentage is around 44.73%, and net interest profit is 3.03%. And if I am talking about branches, then there are more than 5,100 branches, and in which overseas branches are 21. So Bank of India is the, and one more, and nowadays Bank of India is the second largest public sector bank in India.
What is the degree you studied, Tanya?
Sir, I have completed my graduation from Bachelor's of Science at Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University.
Which year?
In 2021.
Good. Please tell me, what is artificial intelligence? how it can be used in banking sector?
Sir, as nowadays, artificial intelligence, or we can say AI, which is very common in today's life. Uh, It means it is the intelligence of machine or software, or intelligence of human being or animal. Means if we do not know anything, then normally we can search it, like just like Chat GPT. If we want to know any information, or if, yeah, we are having any query, then we can directly search it or Google speak. It means Chat GPT, it can understand human speech also, like Siri, Alexa. We can normally say it and they replied to me. So Chat GPT is very chat it means artificial intelligence is very useful in today's life.
Good. Why do you want to be in a bank?
Sir, because bank gives me a first thing. Bank is a very, if I join bank, if I came in bank, then I will be at it will be give me a very prestigious job. And there in banking there is a lots of learning opportunity and growth. So, and stability is there. Stability means learning opportunity and growing with the organization. And if and bank provide me this. And banking in banking there is free and fair selection process. So, and very fast procedure process. And financial stability is in
Good,
banking. So
good,
I want to
good,
join.
sufficient. Good.
Okay.
What is balance sheet? What are the components of balance sheet?
Balance sheet means it is the table of matlab it in balance sheet, it's a table of liability and asset at a particular date. Means it is a date specific sheet in which one side is liability and other side is assets. Means if we are means if we are taking asset, means the which give growth to our organization, means profits. uh, for
No,
example, if I
no,
am
no.
saying
No, I think थोड़ा गलत बोल रहे हैं. Here, assets are properties owned by the bank or to be received by the bank. For example, fixed assets, they are in the form of building, land,
building, land,
machinery, machinery,
machineries, yes,
vehicles.
sir.
And current assets may be balance that we have with the Reserve Bank of India, other banks that
Okay.
we are maintaining in the form of cash, and the loans we have given to borrowers.
Loans, cash credit, overdraft, these all are under assets. And in
Yeah,
liabilities, capital, deposits, borrowed loan, which from RBI's,
super.
these are
So, super. Good. That's correct. Very
okay.
nice. What is inflation?
Inflation, सर मैं ये हिंदी में बता सकती हूँ.
Why not? बोल
हाँ
पूछने का जरूरत
सर.
नहीं.
हाँ,
Amara, for
इन्फ्लेशन.
sake of convenience and to make others understand the question, I am asking in English. Because
ओके
अभी
ओके.
जो हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं वो लोग भी ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, वॉच करते हैं. उन लोग के लिए तो हम अंग्रेजी में पूछ रहा हूँ. आप बता दीजिए हमको हिंदी में, हम समझ जाएंगे.
इन्फ्लेशन मीन्स जो हमारी कॉस्ट के, जो हमारी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज में प्राइस में इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, वो इन्फ्लेशन हो गया. जैसे फूड प्राइसेस हो गया, या हाउसिंग हो गया, ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया. हम इन्फ्लेशन को सीपीआई, एक कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स होता है, उसके थ्रू मेजर करते हैं. वो ये बताता है कि अभी के मीन्स अभी हमने कोई चीज खरीदी है, उसके पहले उसके प्राइस कितने थे और अभी कितने हैं. और इन्फ्लेशन के बहुत सारे कॉज होते हैं. जैसे कि अगर हमारे एक होता है डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन, जिसमें अगर डिमांड है जो गुड्स और सर्विसेज की वो ज्यादा होती है सप्लाई से, तो वो हो जाता है हमारा डिमांड पुल इन्फ्लेशन. एक होता है कॉस्ट पुल इन्फ्लेशन, जिसमें जो प्राइस है गुड एंड सर्विसेज के वो ज्यादा होते हैं. मीन्स जिसकी वजह से इनपुट कॉस्ट होती है वो बढ़ जाती है, तो कॉस्ट मतलब कॉस्ट पुश इन्फ्लेशन हो जाता है. इन और डिफ्लेशन वो होता है कि जब हमारी जो गुड्स और सर्विसेज की डिमांड है वो कम होती है और वैल्यू ऑफ मनी हमारी ज्यादा होती है, तो डिफ्लेशन होता है. और आरबीआई के जो पॉलिसी रेट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो इन्फ्लेशन मतलब उसके उसने जो रेट रखा है उसका है 4 ± 2%। और अभी अभी इंडिया की अगर हम इंडिया के करंट रेशियो की बात करें तो इट्स अराउंड 4.2%। सो विच इज गुड, मीन्स वी आर इन अ स्टेबल कंडीशन नाउ।
Good, not bad. Now, who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास सर।
Mr. Shaktikanta Das.
ओके ओके ओके।
What is the role of a credit officer of a bank?
Credit officer role is to check the credit worthiness of a people, to check the credit account, loan account of the people, to help the customer, those who are coming in bank and to borrowing loan, and to check to inspect the verification, to inspect the stock
Stocks.
and stock verification
Hmm.
means,
And
and
recovery of money.
हाँ रिकवरी ऑफ मनी,
Disbursal of loan,
स्क्रूटनी ऑफ,
recovery of money. थोड़ा
स्क्रूटनी ऑफ लोन।
थोड़ा उसका और भी क्लियरली पढ़ लीजिए.
ओके सर।
Why banks should select तान्या? तान्या का मीनिंग क्या है?
सर तानिया मीन्स प्रिंसेस।
ओरी भाई, princess. Oh, that day also you told me. I am
या
forgetting. I am forgetting. Acha,
या
princess. Good. I asked you, are you the princess of your home? You said yes.
यस सर।
Feel happy. Feel happy. Good. Now tell me why bank should select princess.
because bank should select me because as I am eager learner, constantly striving to improve my skill. As according, I am highly appreciated by my teachers for my good communication skills, which is very important in bank because without good communication we can't say we can't give loan or we can't communicate to people. And I am having leadership and team management quality, so which help me in bank. And one thing, I am self motivated, means when I will never feel low, but sometime when I feel low, then obviously I will learn things and improve skills.
Yeah, good. Yeah, where was I? I was having this question in my mind. Good, you answered very well. Now, tell me what is NEFT, what is RTGS?
NEFT and RTGS, both are the facilities provided by bank. In NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. Ye 2000 it came in 2005. It is a
Okay.
24/7 facility. 24/7 facility. And in NEFT there are batches of 30 minutes, means if we want to do payment, then after if then there is a batch of 30 minutes, means total 48 batches in NEFT. And there is some charge also, means we can transfer money from our bank to any branch of the any branch of the country. And in RTGS,
What is the present bank rate?
present bank rate is 6.15. Sir, can you give me 2 seconds? Let me think.
Yeah.
Bank rate. I have learned. I think, sir, it's 6.1, 6.25%. I forget it.
Wrong. 6.75.
Okay.
Yeah,
6.25 is reverse repo rate.
No. Repo rate is 6.5.
Okay.
6.25 is standing deposit facility rate.
Okay.
And reverse repo rate is how much?
Sir, reverse repo rate is 3.15%.
3.35. क्या
Okay,
हुआ?
sir. Actually,
Final में थोड़ा गलती answers आता है. Otherwise, you are answering very well. You deserve to be selected. Only thing is थोड़ा tension हो जाते हैं. Suddenly हम bank rate पूछने से you got into fear. Correct?
exactly. So it's quite nervous now. That is why.
Because you are answering very well and all. In fact, NEFT, RTGS and all इस question के लिए आप उतना detail देने का भी जरूरत नहीं. Briefly बताने से हो
Okay,
जाए.
sir.
Otherwise, you are answering very well. today my estimation is 9 out of 10 for you. And with a note, next time you come, maybe I will spend more time with you because now I have to go out for some
Okay.
personal work. And if possible, I will talk to you sometime over phone, 5 minutes or so,
Okay.
further asking some questions. Otherwise, you're a star performer as far as this. Why are you not coming for GD? I asked all of you to come to GD today now.
Actually, sir, I am completing my banking awareness classes because I have not completed before. I have joined later. uh,
So, पढ़ रहे
So
हैं.
I am,
So you're reading.
exactly.
Very good. No problem. Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Just a minute. I will just stop this recording.